Oh, hi, I'm Ryan from ITI TAITRA. Today I'm here to talk about a common error that I hear a lot of people make. Today I'm reading a book in the library because outside it's raining. That makes me think of a common error that a lot of people make when it's raining. Often I hear a lot of people say the rain is big or the rain is small. But often we don't say that. We say different things when we describe the rain. For example, when the rain is heavy, you can say it's pouring or it's pouring out. Or you can say it's coming down hard or it's coming down in buckets. I even hear some people say it's raining cats and dogs. When the rain is small, you can say something different, like it's a light rain, it's a light shower, or it's a drizzle. So next time you're in the library talking to me and we have a conversation, we can say, hey Ryan, why are you in the library? It's pouring out today. Thank you very much and catch you next time. You're still here? Well, anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, or you want to learn more about ITI TAITRA, which happens to be the best language and business program in Taiwan, please click the link below. If you're watching us on Facebook, give us a like. And if you're watching us on YouTube, give us a thumbs up. Catch you later.